Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically, how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button or by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, press the upper button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the display and brightness option. Once you find it, tap on it. Here, find the option called auto screen off, and once you find it, tap on it. And right here we have the list of durations, and we can select from 5 seconds up to 60 seconds. So find the option you like, for example 10 seconds, and then tap on the check mark to confirm, tap on got it, and as you can see it's set to 10 seconds, and then we can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And now my screen should turn off automatically after 10 seconds of inactivity, so it should be right around now. Yeah, and that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.